Hello, and thank you for attending this Tech Tip by Design R1 software. Today I will be showing you how to replace the Windows Start menu in Windows 10, but this also works for Windows 8 or 8.1. If you don't like the look of this Start menu, or especially Windows 8 where it takes you to that Metro screen where it's just a bunch of these icons, you'll like this video. So go ahead and open up your preferred browser. I choose Chrome. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to Google, but you can also do it from Bing or a Yahoo search as well. From here, I'm going to go ahead and type in Classic Shell, and it takes you to the Google search. And then the website is classicshell.net. There's a download button, a big blue download button. Go ahead and click on that. Once this download completes, we will go ahead and run the program. It installs pretty quick. It's a pretty lightweight program. And as the program installs, I'll kind of show you what's going to happen. So it's going to try and change your Windows theme back to what you're used to. If you don't like the Windows Start menu, and I can understand why, they did do quite a bit of changing with some of the newer versions of Windows. We will go ahead and make sure that try and take it back to what you're used to. Go ahead and click on the Start menu, and this does take it back to kind of the old Start menu look. This is the I believe the Windows 7 style, where it's two bars side by side. And let's see if we can adjust it a little bit further. Start menu settings. So here we do have the Windows 7 style chosen here. If you just want to do the classic style, or the really classic style with 2 columns, or the classic style even further back, because that's what you're used to. In here, under the Start menu style, you can go ahead and change that. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Twitter at DesignR1LLC and on Facebook at DesignR1Software. Thank you, and look forward to the next video.